What if the secret to living a longer, stronger life wasn't in a pill or a clinic, but in your evening routine? For many seniors, sleep becomes a challenge. Tossing and turning, waking up tired, or simply not getting enough restful hours can drain the joy out of your days. But here's the good news. By making just a few simple changes before bedtime, you can transform not only your sleep, but your health, your memory, and even your lifespan. Science backs this up. Deep, quality sleep is when your body heals, your brain resets, and your cells regenerate. In fact, research shows that consistent, restorative sleep can lower the risk of heart disease, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and even depression. In this video, you'll discover 5 powerful bedtime habits that support deep sleep, emotional calm, and healthy aging. These aren't trends or fads. They're grounded in science and used by real people who want to age with strength, clarity, and grace. Let's start with the first habit that could change how you sleep and how you live. Habit 1. The warm water reset. Before you reach for the remote or slip under the covers, try this. Drink a small glass of warm water, maybe with a slice of lemon. It may seem too simple to matter, but this one step can make a big difference. Here's why. As we age, our body's circulation slows down, especially at night. Warm water helps gently boost blood flow and supports your organs as they shift into rest mode. It also helps thin the blood just enough to lower the risk of nighttime strokes or heart strain. Take George, for example. At 68, he often woke up stiff and sluggish. His doctor told him to stay hydrated, but he struggled to sleep when drinking too much too late. One night, he tried sipping just half a glass of warm lemon water 30 minutes before bed. Within a week, George noticed less morning stiffness, fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom, and deeper, more refreshing sleep. His energy came back. His mornings felt brighter. Tip: keep your water warm, not hot. And sip slowly, like you're already relaxing. Habit 2. The 10-minute wind-down walk. Movement before bed might sound backward, but gentle movement can help your body settle. A short 10-minute walk, even indoors, helps regulate your blood sugar, reduce muscle tightness, and signal your body that it's time to slow down. For seniors, this is especially powerful. Your joints stay lubricated, your digestion improves, and you avoid the crash that comes from flopping into bed right after sitting for hours. Consider Martha. At 72, she felt restless every night, even after long days. Her grandson suggested a simple evening walk around her apartment. It wasn't much, just 10 minutes, no phone, no distractions. Within days, Martha began falling asleep faster. Her anxiety lessened. Her legs stopped cramping at night. That tiny habit became her favorite part of the day. Tip: keep it light. No power walking. Let it feel like a quiet stroll to clear your thoughts and breathe. Habit 3. Nightly belly breathing. As we get older, stress can pile up silently, tightening our chest, disrupting digestion, and making sleep elusive. That's where belly breathing comes in. This simple technique resets your nervous system and shifts your body from fight or flight to rest and restore mode. Just lie on your back, place a hand on your belly, and inhale slowly through your nose. Feel your belly rise. Exhale gently through your mouth and let your hand fall. Do this 5 to 10 times. Susan, 66, was skeptical at first. She called it just breathing. But after a week of doing it before bed, she was hooked. It became her anchor. Her mind slowed down. Her racing thoughts quieted. And for the first time in years, she slept through the night without waking up at 2 a.m. in a panic. Tip: belly breathing also helps lower blood pressure and improve oxygen delivery to your brain, great for longevity and mental clarity. Habit 4. Gentle lower back massage. Pain is one of the most common reasons older adults lose sleep. And one of the most overlooked solutions? Massaging the lower back. The lower back is where tension, inflammation, and stress tend to gather. By using your hands or a warm towel to gently massage this area, you can release stiffness and signal your body to relax. Robert, 75, had long suffered from dull back pain that flared up at night. His daughter suggested using a tennis ball between his back and a cushion to gently roll out tight spots before bed. It changed everything. He slept longer, he woke up less sore, and he started waking up with less fear of the day ahead. Tip: use circular motions with your hands or a massage ball. Just 2 minutes can trigger endorphins and soothe the nervous system. Habit 5. Journaling to unload the mind. One of the most powerful yet overlooked habits for sleep and longevity is writing. Not pages and pages, just 3 to 5 minutes of journaling before bed. Why does this help? Your mind often holds onto tasks, worries, or memories. Writing them down gives your brain permission to let them go. It's like putting your thoughts on a shelf until morning. Lillian, 70, was often overwhelmed by small stresses, bills, appointments, what-ifs. Her granddaughter gave her a small notebook and said, "Just write one thing you're grateful for and one thing that's bothering you." Lillian did it nightly. She called it her bedtime ritual. Over time, her mind stopped racing. Her blood pressure lowered, and she said she felt like she slept with a lighter soul. Tip: keep it simple. Write what comes naturally. It's not about grammar. It's about release. These 5 bedtime habits are gentle, powerful, and easy to start. And when done consistently, they work together like a calming orchestra. A warm drink, a short stroll, deep breathing, a little massage, and a quiet moment of reflection. They don't just help you sleep better tonight. They help you build a body and mind that recovers better, lasts longer, and wakes up with more purpose. Aging well isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently, especially when it's time to rest. So tonight, pick just one of these habits and try it. Let your body respond. Let your mind soften. You deserve deep sleep, gentle nights, and vibrant days. And if this helped you, subscribe for more tips to help you live fully, sleep deeply, and age with strength. You're not slowing down. You're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.